Hello all, this is Mary Sylvan, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in RMK College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see about for loop and while and do while statements in JavaScript from our software development practices. The for loop statement, okay, the general format is for initialization and where it must end the loop continuation test and the increment, after which the statements will be executed. As you all have learned in C and C programming, the same statement is used here. Okay. So first is initialization. When you look into this, first the counter value is initialized to 1, and how long the loop must continue till it becomes less than or equal to 7, and from 1 how it must increment. So increment with plus 1. So from 1 it will go to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Till 6 it will execute it. No, till 7, because the condition is less than or equal to 7. When it becomes greater than 7, it will be out of the for loop. In another way, you can say for has three expressions, expression 1, 2 and 3. Expression 1 is executed one time before the execution of the code block. Expression 2 defines the condition for executing the code block, and expression 3 is executed every time after the code block has been executed. So if you look into this example, for I is equal to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. From 0 less than 5 means it is 4. So 0 to 4, 4 times the number will be shown in the output. Okay. 4 times the number is 0, number is 1, number is 2, sorry, 5 times, number is 3, number is 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, because the condition must end at less than 5. It is not equal to 5, it is just less than 5. Less than 5 is 4. Okay. So when you look into this example for let I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay, within this for loop, document dot write, you are going to display I and you are going to move to the next line. Okay, so I is equal to 1. First 1 will be printed, then I will be incremented, 2 will be printed, then I again will be incremented, 3 will be printed, again I will be incremented, 4 will be printed, then I will be incremented to 5 and 5 will be printed. When again I will be incremented to 6, but it does not satisfy this condition. The condition says it must be less than or equal to only 5. It will come out of the for loop. So this is the output for this simple code. And here these are the few examples which gives you what will be the outcome for the particular for expression. So to display from 1 to 100, you must start less than or equal to 100. To display from 100 to 1, it must be decrement operator. Okay, here we cannot say that mandatory, it must be incremented. It can also be decremented. From 7 to 77, it must be started at 7 and end at 77. In steps of how much? In steps of 7 means it is not mandatory that it must be incremented by one value or it must be decremented by one value. It can also be incremented by 7. So what is the expression you have to give? I plus equal to 7. Initially I will be 7. Then next value will be 14. Then 21. It will be incremented in 7. Again, from 20 to 2 in steps of minus 2 means I minus equal to 2. From 20, it must be displayed till 2. Okay. Then, one more thing you have to see, the condition must be greater than or equal to if we are using decrement operator. Vary the control variable over the following sequences 2, 5, 8, 11, 20. So it is incremented in 3. From it starts at 2, it ends at 20. It starts at 2, it ends at 20, incremented with 3. It starts at 99 and it ends at 0. 99 after which 88, then 77, then 66. So decremented by 11 till 0. So j equal to 99 till it's equal to 0, decremented by 11. Okay. Next is while loop. Okay, JavaScript while loop iterates the elements for infinite number of times. It should be used if the number of iteration is not known. Okay, so while condition, then the code can be executed. So initially I value is equal to 11 and this particular code, okay, it must be executed till it becomes 15. So first it starts with 11. So what is the condition given here? Okay, after it displays 11, I is incremented to 12. Check the condition. Condition is lesser than or equal to 15. So 12 is displayed. Till it becomes 15, the condition, this particular statement is executed. After which, okay, when it becomes 16, it is lesser than or equal to 15 is the condition. So condition is false. It will come out of the loop. So while condition, then you have the statement, then it is incremented. After while, we have one more statement called do while. What is the difference between while and do while? In while, only if the condition is true, this code will be executed. Okay. In do while, initially it will not check the condition. It will first execute the code and only then it will check the condition. So when you look into this diagram, or this program, first I will be displayed as 21. Then, then alone it is incremented. After incrementing, it will check the condition whether it is less than or equal to 25. So till it becomes lesser than or equal to 25, the statement will be printed. So in do while, even if the condition is false, at least once it will display the output. This is the difference between while and do while. Hope you all can understand. Thank you.